Did you actually get in? This is John out in the blizzard of 2010. Being crazy. Actually trying to sled, but I mean there's so much snow that I'm not sure he's going to make it. And of course we got Ziggy down here. Ziggy's going to try and get lost in the snow. Go get him, Zig. I don't think that's working so bueno. I think poor Zig can't even go anywhere. Zig, you can't go anywhere. You're gonna get stuck. Here he comes, John. He's coming to help you. Go get him, Zig. Go get him. Are you stuck? Where's John? Oh, he's way up there on top. This is a storm that was 30 inches, and we probably got another 20 inches today, maybe 25 inches today. Where's Zig? Oh, there he is. Here he comes. Here he comes. He's almost out. Zig, you're all snowy. What are you creating a channel up there, John? You're wondering how deep. You can sort of see here. Oh. Here comes Mom.
Hey, Ziggy.
There's Mom.
Come on. Come on.
To see him.
You don't go very far.
What?
You don't go very far.
Got a good channel dug up in there, though. Can't really see it here on the video.
Put Ziggy on it. Go ahead, Ziggy.
You can't get there. You get
No.
stuck. Watch. We'll get stuck. Go get him, Zig.
Oh.